na na na. Hey, hey.
Ling Kai and Randy gave me an idea of what they like, and from there on I improve on their ideas and incorporate some of my ideas with them. As much as possible, we will want to fulfill owners' wish list. We will try to fit everything in and make sure the design flow right from the entrance all the way to the rooms, to the kitchen, everything should gel up nicely. Most of the storage happens to be in the kitchen. For a lot of people, usually the back of the wardrobe, they will use partition, but I feel that it will make the place very bland. With some herringbone design, it will make the place look more interesting. For the bathroom, we extend out by 2 feet, which is the dry area for the sink, to make the bathroom more spacious. We built a settee and a mirror box for her that she can do makeup at night. Ling Kai and Wendy needs a proper space for their music making, their gaming, and also for their work. We have professional acoustic panel for all the walls, and I actually built them study table catered for 2 and some top hung display and storage for them as well. Rezt+Relax is the only ID firm in Singapore that offer lifetime warranty. Hi, I'm Danielle Teo from Rezt+Relax Interior.